Welcome to World Geography. Today's tutorial is related to how can we use the IDW tool by showing in the grid wise. So let's start our tutorial. As you can see, here is an example, but I am remove it and start from starting. So I am delete the unnecessary. As you can see, here is a grid one, and uncheck it and showing you the real one. This is the IDW, and we divided it into the grid wise, that one, which showing the actual values by the grid 1 into 1. So let's start it. So for it, you need to first the point data of your area and a shapefile of your area. So then you go to create a fishnet of your area. This tool is used to create the grid and a point of your area. As you can see, here you need to give output feature class, where you want to save your polygon shape of grid. So here I give its name without 3. Okay. And here you need the size of which you want. Here is one is a point and one is a shapefile. So we want on the shapefile area. So here we give the optional of our shapefile. Okay, as you can see, the values come here. Now we just give here the cell size which we want one by one. So the cell size is width 1 and the height 1. Just okay it. Then go to here and keep here polygon, and we give its output path. Okay, just okay, simple. And we get the fishnet 1 by 1. As you can see, of the whole shapefile covered. I'm just hollow it. Okay, here you can see in this one box is size 1 by 1. Okay, it means one is the width and one is its height. So we go for the next step. There is a IDW. We use our point. I just uncheck these points. We don't need it. We need this point, which is our density point. We use IDW tool. So as you can see, we put here the BB points, and here we keep the density, and we give its output path IDW of fishnet 3. Okay, and we, as you can see here, the output cell size is that shown, but when we going to its environment, it will be changed by keeping we keep here the fishnet 3, this one, not the label one. We keep this one, the area one, okay, and the grid one, because we need our values in the grid wise. So here also we keep fishnet 3. Okay, so as you can see here, the cell size is almost changed from the last one. There will be in a points, but here is a 1.9, so we can change it. Just okay it. The value will become here on the whole area. Okay, now we use our last tool, that is a resampling one. Okay, the first one, data management one, resample. We select our IDW fishnet which we created now, and just here we give the cell size. Here the representing width and height in X and Y. Okay, so this will be the nearest one. Okay, and here we keep its output resampling 3. simple OKs. Now we get the result in the grid points. As you can see, the whole value is converted into grid points which we want. Finally, I just change its color ramp. So now the color showing the values of the whole area. So I hope you like our tutorial. So for more further informative tutorial, you need to subscribe our channel and share our channel for further information. Thanks for watching.